Okay, before we start, understand there are many misconceptions about how the YouTube algorithm works. Let's start this with a clear mind and without any bias. People will often suggest you need to post shorts or upload at specific times. They'll even tell you to create videos over 8 minutes long, but these are just myths. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Eric, and I'm here to tell you, last year I grew a new YouTube channel to 150,000 subscribers in under 7 months and a newer celebrity channel with 13,000 subscribers in less than 3 months. The truth is, the algorithm doesn't work against you. It simply shows your video to a wide audience to determine your target viewers. Your watch time is crucial. Your AVG, or average view duration, plays a key role. This measures how long the viewer watches your video. If it's boring and they click off early, your video will be shown to less people. If your content gets clicks and good retention, the algorithm will keep recommending it. For channels with subscribers, YouTube prioritizes showing videos to returning viewers and subscribers. The key isn't to obsess over the algorithm, but to focus on your audience. Clearly define your content, understand your viewers' interests, and consistently create videos that engage them. Whether you post daily or monthly, the algorithm's goal is to show videos that hold people's attention. Instead of worrying about post times or video length, concentrate on delivering valuable or entertaining content that stands out. Research your niche, identify gaps, and develop your unique edge, whether it's your expertise, personality, or editing skills. Post at least 10 well-researched videos and give the algorithm time to push your content. If your strategy doesn't work after those 10 videos, consider adjusting your approach or shifting your niche. Building a successful channel is a long-term investment, and consistency is key. Check out my videos in the description on how to build a successful YouTube channel if your goal is to build your channel more. Want to work one-on-one with me and learn the key ins and outs of the business? I've got 2 spots left. I'm here.